In this introductory presentation of our series on energy efficiency and conservation, we look at energy governance and politics and the intricacies involved. Currently, we know that the modern consumer and energy are critically interdependent. So the economy, energy, and political power are now inseparable concepts. In the meantime, we have rampant misuse of resources. So increasingly, there are fears of supply shortages, increases in tension, and energy resources are increasingly being accessed via war fronts. Globally, we have seen that this security of supply shaping geopolitical and global alliances. For example, we know that organizations such as OPEC have in the past used fuel or oil as a weapon to settle political scores. So at global level, the major challenge is constructive engagement, and the biggest obstacle is lack of knowledge and competence of the various frameworks required for energy governance globally. So in the meantime, the impacts of climate change are also with us. So the universal seventh sustainable development goal will not be easily attained unless the quality of energy governance is improved both at national and global levels. Most importantly, there is need to comprehend what really constitutes energy. Traditionally, the focus has been on energy and technologies, but now we know better and we'll explore energy and society. So, as technocrats, when we think about energy policy, we look at the technical aspects like, does the policy achieve the stated goals, and does it do so cost effectively? But when governments look at the same question, they will consider issues such as public imagination or approval, and whether certain vested interests have been satisfied, particularly those that are industrial supporters of a specific regime. So by considering energy governance and politics, we'll attempt to understand the dynamics of governance that include socioeconomic realities and complexities such as politics, trust, hopes, ambitions, greed, and power struggles. So we have attributes of energy governance that include legislation, guidelines, incentives to invest, measures to protect the environment, taxation, and international treaties. So global governance is mainly dealing with diplomacy and establishing safe investment environments. For example, a multinational company is likely to operate in an area outside the jurisdiction of their home country, and they will be eager to have their investments protected. So global governance is defined as making and enforcing rules to avoid collective action problems related to energy at scales beyond nation state. So with the drivers of governance and politics, they include energy independence, security, sustainable development, equity, and environmental sustainability. But as we go about our business, there are certain basics that we all need to ask, such as what is energy? Technocrats define it as the capacity to do work, but economists would look at it in a different way. We know that energy enables every human endeavor, and therefore, when we want to understand energy, we must understand society, as energy is a derived demand of society's decisions and desires. So schedules, structures, oversight, and efficiencies, administrative inefficiencies, are just as important as technology. So the major consuming sectors include industry, transport, residences, and commercial enterprises. So these are the sectors where the drive for demand initiates. So energy governance needs to respond to the behaviors, the activities, the plans of these various sectors. We have resources, application, markets, policies, non-state initiatives, technology choices, all giving us the context of energy. This is the end of our part 1. In the next part 2 of our series, we'll look at elements of energy policy and take a brief look at good energy policy. Thank you.